Ready? Start. Where workmen oblique employees are operational caterers, the application may be made either in an individual capacity or in a joint capacity by one of them who is duly authorized for the purpose. It has thus been made clear that option has been given to the workmen to prefer application in a joint capacity through their authorized representative. In the present case, workmen have preferred the application in joint capacity through their duly authorized representative as per the requirement of the format prescribed under the rules. Accordingly, application under section 9 by unpaid workmen in a joint, the provisions of subsection 1 of section 14 of the code shall not apply to such transactions as may be notified by the central government in consultation with any financial sector regulator. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, by its letter dated 1/1/2010, has recommended a panel of insolvency professionals for appointment as insolvency resolution professional in compliance with section 16 clause 3 clause A of the code in order to cut delay. The list of recommended insolvency professionals provides instant solution to the adjudicating authority to pick up the name and make appointment. It helps in meeting the timeline given in the code and the unnecessary time wastes. Firstly, in asking the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India to recommend the name and then to appoint such interim resolution professional by adjudicating authority. Accordingly, we appoint Mr. Brij Kishore Sharma, email ID bksharma162@yahoo.co.in, as an interim resolution professional. His registration number is IBBI/IPA-N00036/2016-17/10075. The aforesaid interim resolution professional has no disciplinary proceedings pending against him, nor has anything else been pointed out with regard to his antecedents. The applicant is directed to pay a sum of rupees 2 lakhs to the interim resolution professional to meet out the expenses to perform the application is filed by Advil Assets Reconstruction Company Limited under section 7 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 for brevity code, read with rule 4 of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Application to Adjudicating Authority Rules 2016 as a financial creditor for initiation of corporate insolvency resolution process CIRP against the Takshashila Heights India Private Limited for brevity corporate debtor.